Hey guys, it's Courtney. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here today to do my Sephora Play unboxing for November. Let's just dive into this. I did take a sneaky peek and, well. So we got our card that has the 50 points on it, which of course I made a Sephora order right before this came. Rude. This is the Holiday Survival Pocket Guide. 5 minutes office makeover should you go to the party. There's options. Party-proof lips. It tells you how to do it. How bold should you get? Keep the conversation flowing. Intrigue. So then on the back it tells you things about the stuff we got. So we're on this shit again with these plastic bags. This one says your once a month squeal-inducing bag of amazingness is here. I think they're too excited about themselves. They should calm down. So, as always, this is going to go right into my declutter bin because I don't get it. Okay. The first thing in here that is the sample that we're going to talk about really quick is the Viktor and Rolf Flower Bomb. Is this the Flower Bomb Bloom, which, I'm not going to lie, I don't know the difference. I'm assuming this one's supposed to be more floral. I mean, it's fine. I'll use it. It's a sample size, so I'll definitely use it up. But I'm not, like, a huge fan of Flower Bomb. Like, don't be mad in the comments, but, like, I just not a big fan of it. Aww. The next thing, I don't know about that. Anyway, the next thing is this Makeup Forever HD Micro Finishing Loose Powder, which is actually, like, a decent size. That's surprising as heck. This is just a translucent setting powder, in my understanding. Has a little sifter. I don't know. We'll definitely use it up because we're almost out of the powder that we're currently using. Why do I keep referring to me as more than one person? Don't know. The next thing is the Sephora collection lip stain, cream lip stain. This is in 40 pink tea, but it's not. Oh, it is. It's on the bottom. Okay, we're good then. This is just like a nude brown. It's kind of like a, I don't know. I dig it. It's kind of like a 90s brown. I'm down. Down to get down. The next thing I've had before, and honestly could not care less about, this is the Clinique Pepsar Eye Cream. This is already, like, just looking at it in the light, like, this whole section is a big air pocket. But I will probably throw it into a project and use it up because I really don't think eye creams do anything. I am unconvinced. Someone can convince me in the comments if you want, but I never see a difference. I have dark under eye circles before anyone's like, you're too young to need an eye cream. Please. I don't sleep. I need an eye cream. The next thing is the Christopher Robin Cleansing Volumizing Paste with pure Rasal clay and rose extracts. What? I don't know how I feel about that. So this is a shampoo formulated with clay that transforms from a paste to an airy foam. Oh. It's so weird. I feel like this would be super messy. Like, honestly, I feel like it will be super messy. Like, I'm gonna try it. In true YouTuber spirit. But I'm not looking forward to trying it, honestly. It says 85% of natural original formula. Brings immediate volume and thickness to fine hair without weighing it down. But my hair is really thick, so I don't think it's going to do shit. Anyway, the last thing I saved, because I'm really excited about this. This is the First Aid Beauty Coconut Micellar Makeup Melter Dissolves All Makeup, Even Long Wear. And I'm excited about this because it's literally supposed to, let's test it. It's supposed to like be like a makeup remover. So far we're not doing very well. Not doing well at all, actually. Alright, I'm immediately upset. Yeah, no. There's still lipstick there. Well, that's upsetting. Okay, well. It says massage for 15 to 20 seconds and then remove with a damp washcloth. I think it's been more than 15 seconds. What do you guys think? And it's still there. But I just rubbed. It came off mostly. Like once you actually like wipe it off, it came off mostly. So okay, I'm excited about this. I'm still gonna try it, but I feel like this box was kind of like, like I'm so unenthused lately about Sephora Play. I think after December I might cancel and also cancel my Scentbird and just do BoxyCharm because it's less money than the two. And it's got better stuff. Did that make sense? No. More better stuff. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know down below. I know I've already talked to a couple people that have already unboxed theirs. And yeah. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you guys all in the next video. If you want to hang out with me anywhere else on social media, it is all down below. As always, Twitter, Tumblr, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat's down there. You can hang out with me in any of those places. I love you guys so much. Like I already said. And I will talk to you in the next one. Bye, everyone.